Welcome to Auction version 4, the latest event management software tool from Auction Systems. In this tutorial, in the Item Data Entry series, I will show you the donor panel. This is the donor panel in the item entry form. If the donor has already been entered in this project, maybe because this donor donated another item that has already been entered, or because the donor was previously entered in Names Data Entry, you will find that donor in the pull-down. The default list of names in this pull-down is the list of all name records currently in the dataset. But if you prefer, you can choose to see only records marked as donors by clicking the Donors button. If the donor is not in either list, click the plus button. A new Names Data Entry form will pop up. Fill the panels in as described in the Data Entry Names tutorial series. By the way, if you choose a name that is in the All Names list that is currently only marked as an invitee or volunteer, by selecting that name in the pull-down in the donor panel for the item entry, the name record will automatically be marked as a donor in the associated name entry panel. When a donor is selected in the pull-down and the entire record is saved by clicking the main Save button on the taskbar, that donor will appear in the top button here. Always select a true donor of the item because this will make your reports accurate as well as the donor receipt that you will print and send to the donor. But the donor of this item may ask that their name or company not appear in the catalog or on the bid sheets. Instead of the actual donor's name, you can substitute friend of your organization or anonymous on public documents by clicking one of these choices. Or by clicking the As Specified Below button, you can add a different display name to the pull-down. For example, maybe the donor of this item is a hair salon called Uptown Salon and Day Spa, and that hair salon is the actual donor of the item. But the specific stylist who will be providing the service is Carol. Uptown Salon will receive the donor receipt and appear on your reports if you select that company as the donor. However, if you choose As Specified Below as your choice here, you can add Carol at Uptown Salon and Day Spa to the pull-down. On the bid sheets and the catalog, the donor will appear as Carol at Uptown Salon and Day Spa. One other thing you can do from this screen is edit the selected donor. Pressing this button will take you to the name entry form for the selected donor, where you can add or edit the address, phone numbers, emails, or other information about this donor. The next tutorial in the Item Entry series is for the Item Value panel. Thank you for joining us.